today is a pretty special day for fans of Bugatti because Hot Wheels is bringing back the Bugatti brand with a brand new Bugatti Chiron. As you guys might know, Hot Wheels actually made the Bugatti Veyron from 2003 to 2010, so it's been almost 10 years without a Bugatti. But now here we are in 2019 with the very first blue prototype of the Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron. The car looks incredible, and the blue on the prototype is pretty similar to the official Bugatti blue, so hopefully that's the first color. And they should be able to create the two-tone paint jobs just like Bugatti does and like Hot Wheels did with the Bugatti Veyron. A few things missing from the prototype that I hope make it to the final production version are the horseshoe grille with the Bugatti logo and the front headlights. We can also be pretty sure that the wheels shown on this one are probably not the ones that'll show up on the final production. Now, the only other photo of this car currently is the bottom of the car that shows that Hot Wheels labeled it as a 2016 Bugatti Chiron. That year does make perfect sense as the Chiron debuted in 2016 and is still being produced today. The other reason why the bottom is so important is because it proves that this is in fact a Hot Wheels car. It sounds like this Bugatti will first debut later this year in the 2019 Hot Wheels mainline. I'm definitely excited for the new Bugatti, and let me know in the comments below which colors you guys would love to see on the new Bugatti. I'm actually a big fan of the yellow and black Chiron, but this car could literally pull off any color. Hopefully Hot Wheels makes quite a few variations of the Chiron, and based on the hype around the Veyron, they probably will. It looks like Hot Wheels made about 8 different Veyrons from 2003 to 2010, but hopefully the Chiron shows up a lot more. Hot Wheels has also made other Bugatti vehicles such as the 37 Bugatti based on the Type 50. However, the new Chiron marks the return of Bugatti to the Hot Wheels lineup, and maybe we'll even get a Bugatti Divo. There's definitely excitement in the air. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for a Chiron for a long time, so here we go, we finally got it. I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date on the Chiron and other Hot Wheels vehicles, so make sure you subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.